It's changed already.
Sacred Hearts, Ladies FC, Luda Potu, Otwakeasi, Igoloni Kany, Kanu Enot, Kane Ajai, Olila Women's Football Club, Kesi Erasi, Luda Ejasi, Kwapna Emesa, Loka Fufa Women's Elite League, Okaruka Low, Sifupande, Etutoro Olila Women's Football Club, Ngesida Ikeo Tebe, Angor Nesida Adumutu, Apirianut, Nada Ilosikina, Kano Aitelekar, Obolia.
We have been playing very well. We are in the previous games. Our performance has been good, and we are trying to see if you can have the same performance in the game you are to play on Saturday. We are trying to work on different aspects because we try also to analyze the opponents, and then we try to strategize how we want to attack, how we want to defend them, because we know they are a good team. They have been playing together for some good time, so we expect a challenge from them, but all in all what you want is the 3 points away from home.
Angor Nuko Olila Women's Football Club, Keso Karu, Lo Ilukumniare, Keda Kaisare Aluare, Aponi, Inyakunai, Aitolot, Amunye Late, Kotoma Dr. Naka Fufa Women's Elite League, Akaulona, Imenekes, Aswame Jok, Kotoma Fufa Women's Super League. Amunye Naka Fufa Women's Elite League, Kotoma Doketait, Naka Victoria Group, Nesda Ejasi, Iklabun, Louis Moriarto, Olila, Women's Football Club, Lango Queens, Amus College, Sacred Heart, Gaiko, Girls Keda Echoes, Langete.
Mwege mangonda leja ingaren kosi na mukaga. Kapar kinaso, Obolia chut. Dia awamitu bebete koseti meteleka.
Otoma agolokinet na around lo sodit Amus College School kese apotu ikanya kinos kujuna MSA akaulona aitelekar Olila Women's Football Club kotoma munyelet nada etolo show Kombale City Stadium etimu loda ebuni aikekeun kotomo mesa nesi eponyo aikekin ai lang amunye late kotoma adoketait na ka Uganda Fufa Super League. Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.